Are you curious about the features and functionality of the 2025 BMW X5 cluster display and dashboard warning indicators? How does this advanced SUV's digital interface enhance your driving experience with its modern, customizable layout and intuitive controls? Cluster display and dashboard. The 2025 BMW X5 boasts a cutting-edge interior featuring a stunning curved display that seamlessly integrates a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 14.9-inch central touchscreen. Cluster indicators. Assisted driving mode, brake system. Parking brake. Emergency stop assistant, pedestrian warning. Forward collision warning, high beam headlights. Intersection collision warning, vehicle detected from the left. Seatbelt reminder, airbag system. Active cruise control with distance control. Assisted driving mode. Dynamic stability control, anti-lock braking system. Intersection collision warning, vehicle detected from the right. Dynamic traction control activated, tire pressure monitor. Exhaust emissions, steering system. Parking lights, turn signal. Acoustic pedestrian protection, low beam headlights. Risk of collision, assisted driving mode plus. Automatic high beam assistant, lane departure warning. Automatic hold, speed limit assist. Cruise control, active cruise control with distance control. Lane change assistant in progress, lane change assistant not possible. Safety precautions, know your symbols, immediate attention. Don't ignore flashing symbols. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use OBD2. Scanner for diagnostic. General dashboard warning symbols are designed to help you understand the most common indicators found in all vehicles. Whether you're driving a sedan, SUV, or truck, these symbols play a crucial role in keeping you informed about your vehicle's condition and safety. Knowing what these symbols mean and how to respond can help prevent breakdowns, maintain your car's performance, and ensure your safety on the road. From the check engine light to the oil pressure and battery indicators, each symbol serves as an alert to help you take action before a small issue becomes a bigger problem. Understanding these warnings can give you peace of mind, keeping you aware of potential issues and allowing you to address them promptly. Now let's dive into the most common symbols you may encounter and what they mean for your vehicle. Now that we've covered some of the essential symbols, keep in mind that while many dashboard indicators are universal, some may differ depending on the make and model of your vehicle. It's always a good idea to consult your car's manual for specific meanings and recommendations. Remember, staying informed about these warning lights helps you maintain your vehicle's performance and ensures your safety on the road. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Thank you for watching.